Hi guys, welcome back to Rahini show, and today I'm going to be doing the project 3, which is the sound activated switch. So we will be needing the base grid. We will be needing the whistle chip. We will be needing the black jumper wire and the red jumper wire. Now we will be needing the speaker, the music IC. It's gonna transport the music to the speaker and it's gonna come out. The slide switch to make it on and off. We're gonna be needing all these snap wires to flow the electricity into all the components, and we'll need the battery holder with 2 AA batteries. We're gonna be putting this on 5C. Right there, just like that. We're going to be putting the slide switch like that, and we're going to be taking the 5 and putting it like that. Now we're going to be needing the whistle chip. And then putting it like that. We're going to be taking the music IC, putting it like that, and then connecting it. We're going to be needing the 3 snap wire and putting it right there. We're going to be needing the 4. First, let's put this one. Going to be putting one there and one like that. That's how it looks so far. We're going to be putting this 4 snap wire. There we go. Okay, let's connect this. And let's connect That's how it is. Now we're going to be taking our red snap wire and we're going to jumper wire. We're going to be putting this one right here. Yes, right there. Like that. And we're going to be putting this end right here. We're going to be just putting this one over here. There we go. So it's going to hand it. So we're going to be putting this right over here like that. There. And we're going to be putting this on the other side. Like that. Now, let's on it. It says it's gonna be there for a short time, so we can, if you want it again, we can clap your hand right near that like this, and it's gonna come again. And another way you can do it, you can blow it, and then you have to touch this little point right there, so it's gonna come out. So there's 3 ways you can be doing this. You can keep on trying this projects anytime you want. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!